if you have ever bought a landed property before, or you are interested in buying land in the days to come, I would like you to pay attention to this very video and to the things I will be discussing in this very video, because they will deliver you from some mistake you shouldn't have made while buying real estate. All right, what we'll be discussing today is things to pay attention to while investing into real estate, and this is the part one of it, the things to pay attention to while investing into real estate. And number one of the things you should pay attention to is the person that is your realtor. Your realtor. Pay attention to your realtor. It is very, very important that you pay attention to your realtor, because if your realtor is not legally smart in understanding the law of real estate transaction in Nigeria, if your realtor does not have the knowledge of real estate transaction in Nigeria, just know that you have some error and while investing into real estate, and that error might cost you your money and also cost you your investment. So while investing in real estate, pay attention to who is your realtor. If your realtor is not legally smart, I think you should change your realtor, because the works of a realtor. Okay, who is a realtor? A realtor is someone who carries out real estate service, or who is into real estate practitioners. So if your realtor is not legally smart, I think you should change your realtor. Yes, change your realtor if your realtor is not legally smart. So why investing? Pay attention to your realtor. So number two of the things you should pay attention while investing into real estate is your lawyer. Your lawyer. Of course, many of you may not have all the resources to pay for a lawyer to do some other things, because your lawyer have to make some investigation for you. But if you don't have all the money, I think, in my opinion, make sure that this person called a realtor or your realtor is legally smart. Because if your realtor is not legally smart, that is to say, your realtor did not understand, he did not understand the law, understand the law of real estate transaction, if you do not understand the law of real estate transaction in Nigeria, I would definitely tell you that you are on a risk of losing your investment or your property. Because if your realtor is legally smart, your realtor can be able to spot out the property that is not genuine or the document that is not genuine. So what you'll be needing while investing in real estate is your realtor that is legally smart, and also your lawyer. So if you cannot afford a lawyer, make sure that your realtor is legally smart, because many people lose their money in real estate transaction, both the people who are buying through an estate company and the people who are buying through individuals. They lose their money because their realtor is not legally smart. Because if their realtor is legally smart, their realtor, based on his expertise in understanding the law of real estate transaction, he'll be able to spot out the error that is in the land or the error in the document. Because from his expertise, he can do some research and ask some necessary questions where necessary. So don't forget of your realtor being a legally smart realtor, and also your lawyer. And your lawyer must be a property lawyer, not anyhow lawyer. But what if your lawyer is not a property lawyer? I can tell you that that lawyer will not do a good job. So make sure that your lawyer is a property lawyer, and also your realtor is a legally smart realtor. I hope this information has helped you. If you're interested in investing in real estate, all you need to do is to call the number on your screen while I guide you through to see that you invest strategically, and also to make sure that your investment is safe and that your investment is secure. My name is Ekene Dwichukwu, the real estate consultant, the Land King of the Land King Properties Limited. See you again in my next video.